Are your living room walls looking boring and empty? In 2025, wall decor has become one of the easiest ways to refresh your home without a full renovation. From modern art to 3D panels, the right wall decor can transform your living room into a stylish, cozy, and personality-filled space. In this video, we'll explore 100 modern wall decor ideas for living room wall decoration in 2025. Whether your style is minimalist, luxury, rustic, or artistic, you'll find inspiration here to make your walls the highlight of your home. 1. Minimalist and modern wall decor ideas. For those who love a clean and uncluttered look, minimalism is still a big trend in 2025. Large abstract art. One oversized canvas in soft neutral colors makes a big statement. Floating shelves. Slim shelves with small decor items or plants keep things stylish but simple. Neutral wall panels. Matte finishes in beige, white, or gray add depth without overwhelming the room. Framed black and white photos. Simple yet timeless. Pro tip: stick to 2 or 3 colors in your wall decor for a balanced, modern feel. 2. Luxury and glamorous wall decor. If you want your living room to feel rich and sophisticated, luxury wall decor is a must. Metallic accents. Gold, silver, or bronze wall sculptures catch light beautifully. Marble effect panels. A popular 2025 choice for an upscale look. Mirrored walls or frames. Instantly add space and elegance. Designer clocks or sculptural pieces. Functional and stylish. Pair these with warm lighting to make your living room feel like a luxury lounge. 3. Nature-inspired wall decor. Bringing the outdoors inside is trending in 2025, and your walls can play a huge role. Wood accent walls. PVC or natural wood panels add warmth and coziness. Green walls. Vertical gardens or artificial plant panels for a fresh vibe. Botanical prints. Framed leaves, floral art, or nature photography. Stone texture panels. Rustic and modern at the same time. These ideas make your living room feel more calming and connected to nature. 4. Creative and artistic wall decor. This year is also about expressing personality through creative wall art. Gallery walls. A mix of photos, paintings, and quotes in different frame sizes. 3D wall panels. Geometric, ripple, or textured designs for a dramatic effect. Murals and wallpaper. Large designs or patterns that completely change the wall's mood. DIY art pieces. Handmade macrame, fabric art, or wall hangings. Pro tip: gallery walls look best when frames are arranged in a balanced grid or unique organic layout. 5. Functional wall decor ideas. Modern decor isn't just about looks. Functionality matters in 2025. Floating cabinets. Great for storing items while keeping walls stylish. Backlit panels with LEDs. Perfect for media walls and modern interiors. Hidden storage behind panels. Style plus practicality. Wall-mounted bookshelves. A decor piece that also organizes your space. These are especially useful in small living rooms where space is limited. 6. Accent walls and statement pieces. One of the biggest 2025 trends is turning a single wall into a focal point. Textured paints. Concrete, metallic, or matte finishes. Bold wallpaper. Patterns like geometric, marble, or floral. Oversized clocks. Both functional and dramatic. LED illuminated panels. Create a modern, futuristic effect. Accent walls are the easiest way to upgrade a room instantly. So there you have it, 100 modern wall decor ideas for living room wall decoration in 2025. Whether you love minimal designs, glamorous accents, natural textures, or bold artistic statements, there's a style here for everyone. Which idea inspired you the most? Minimalist art, luxury metallics, or creative gallery walls? Share your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore my other videos on PVC wall panels, TV unit design trends, and modern living room furniture layouts. Remember, your living room walls aren't just backgrounds. They're the stage where your style comes to life.